parading now. 10:15. Look at this one.
O, kako si lepa, kako si lepa, kako si ti lepa, deci. Lepice lepa, lepice lepa, tako, lepice lepa, ojoj, kakve su ti ušice, a šta je Brava Milena, daš vino?
Milena Češlja. Thank you very much.
Petar mu ispituje noge.
She's just same age as Petar. 4. Well done.
Što je to, Pero? Kako je lep taj kuće?
Because her mum's back in Canada, dad's back in Canada. So you're more likely to get it. So let me know when you're ready.
Svećice mala, gdje si? A gdje si? A gdje si? Ne vidio se. A što je to, ljudi? Što je to, što si He's friendly. She's friendly. Oh. Ay.
Eliminate in one area. How easy is that?
Normally the house training, when you bring a puppy home at 8 weeks, I've found the house relatively straightforward. It's just having, it's not as easy.
Što si ti došao? Što ćeš ti? Što si namirica? What's so interesting about it?
Crazy.
What's so interesting?
Eventually it'll get to learn that that's its
io ti amo, dođi. A mogu kako ne mogu. Mogu. Ajoj, da ti. Sejko, lepa, dođi. Staj mu, tako, daj mu, lepotice. Čeka da te ja malo namazim, dođi, oj. Od tebe se svi plaše, ti si Dobrica, dođi Dobrica, od tebe se svi plaše, tebe se svi boje, tebe se svi plaše, a niko ne zna kakva si ti Dobrica, Dobrica, tebe se svi plaše i svi te se boje, i svi te se plaše. Oho, Dobrici, dobra. Oj, zadavit ću te.
If you want any information about agility, please go on to Chemical Stand and they'll to help you. Especially if you'd like to start competing with your own dog. Oh, and unfortunately, jumped the wrong obstacle. This dog's 6 years old, Riverbend Mitzi is the poor name of the dog. Says typical Sheltie gets excited, it can be a bit noisy. Yes, we can tell it. Fast corner, she's leaning over in the corner, just like a motorcycle. We've got the very best grass type carpet you can buy to aid the dog's grip on the floor when they go around their bends. And this is looking good.
Pretty chilled out.
So they're boxers but bigger and lazier. Like bigger and lazier.
Yeah, you know, if you want to take them out, then they'll go. If you don't take them out, they don't go. They don't want to.
Dođi još jedna.
Dođi, lepotani. Da te slikavam, lepotani. Aj, lepotani. Dora? Zdravo, Dora. Ne migni malo, vidi kako namigujete. Namigni malo, Dora. Ja mislim da ti zaspe tu. Zaspat će ti ta Dora tu. Dora se ne viđa kako lijepa Dora.